Magic 6 just launched before few days ago. Fast refresh rate, all 4 sides curved OLED display, flagship processor, superb in design, 50 megapixel triple camera setup, and many more. Today I am gonna show you unboxing and first impression of Honor Magic 6. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. This is the Honor Magic 6 in a black colored box. Let's open it and take a quick look. Now, we have the white version, and I highly recommend the standard version. Let's remove the plastic wrap from the phone. The white variant has distinct lines on it, and interestingly, this pattern is consistent across all phones, though each has a unique texture. The white color looks quite appealing. Inside, there's a transparent soft shell with a water-clear design. The package includes a 66-watt charging head and a Type-A to Type-C cable. The mobile phone, in the Magic 6 standard version, comes in a snow-colored scheme, with a silver metal middle frame. It features a fully curved screen, slightly curved on all sides, giving it a unique look. The front appears similar to a flat screen, but it actually has a curved screen touch. The swipe gestures, both up and down, are remarkably smooth and comfortable. The phone boasts 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution screen that supports 4320Hz PWM dimming, providing a visually pleasing experience. Overall, the entire screen is comfortable for the eyes. Now, let's explore the features of the standard version. It comes with a dynamic island function, which is a small smart gadget situated within a tiny digging hole. When you click on it, displays a specific timer function. You can pause it or close it easily. This is Honor's own system player, featuring a cool effect with an album cover. There's a groove for this app where you can click to switch favorites or move to the next song. You can also check the lyrics of the previous song. The overall effect is pretty good, and the smart capsule is quite comfortable. However, there might be occasional drops in animation. Many system applications have been adapted to this smart capsule, but there's hope for more third-party applications to be adapted in the future, enhancing its utility. Now, comparing it to other models, let's take a look at the OnePlus 12. It's an all-white glossy glass model. Which one do you think looks better? The Honor Magic 6 boasts a full-bodied 4-curved screen, while the OnePlus 12 has a micro-curved screen. Stay tuned to our channel for an in-depth review video of the Honor Magic 6 coming soon. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.